Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you about logo creations. For example, like this is the logo we are going to create. Basically the shapes are circle and polygon. But how to divide this area? By creating line, this is not actually good. Actually not proper alignment. For creating brand, we have to look at exact alignment and perfection. So that I'm going to use different techniques here. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. First go to tool, select ellipse and create a circle. For example, I'm going to use this color. I don't want the stroke color, just turn on fill color, then give it okay. Then take polygonal tool, then I'm changing here to white, then I move it to the center. Now select the both, then go to align. Here make it align vertically center and horizontally center. So after that I am going to divide this circle. Take rectangle, place it, reduce the size, just move to inside, again hold alt key, take one more duplicate, then select the both, go to object, transform and transform each. Now we need the rectangle each side of the polygon space, but this is not actually good. I am doing some mistakes here. So what I do now, select the both, Ctrl G, you can group it. So again select it, go to align, then align to the center, go to transform each. Now set the angle 60% exactly match to the next face of the polygon. So just preview and take copy. So I take this group, one more duplicate, again Ctrl D, you will get another duplicate. The circle seems like bit outer of the rectangle meeting points, so I reduce the circle little bit smaller. After that select all those things, then take shape builder tool, hold alt key and minus the part. Just you can zoom it, then you can minus the extra part. Then go to take live paint bucket. Actually in Adobe Illustrator 2020 we don't have the options here. You can click the edit toolbar, you will have the live paint bucket here. You can press K is the shortcut, then hold alt key, pick the color, then fill it. Now we will have the photo icon for the logo. Actually we don't want the extra lines. You press Ctrl Y, you can see how many points are there. Actually when we create logo or some objects, we don't want the extra points over here. We need only points to connecting the shapes. So Ctrl Y, you can see the different. So how to fix this? Go to object, then give it expand. Alright. So now everything is broken. After that go to direct selection tool, you can select any of these particular shape or object. Now go to select same fill color. So wherever we use the same fill color, those objects are selected now. Then Ctrl C copy, you can paste. So this is how we can get only we needed object. Then we don't want this, you can delete it. Still we have some sweet over the shapes. So select all those things, go to Pathfinder, Unite. So now only 6 pieces of shapes here to create our logo. Now if you press Ctrl Y, you can see only outline of the logo. Now our design convey about photo icon, but this is not unique. So I am going to give some uniqueness in this to create our brand. So I create one more circle and Ctrl C copy, Ctrl F paste in front, then make it little bit smaller and change the stroke color to white. If you want increase the stroke sizes, yes, you can go by the property and you can increase. Then select both of the circles and move it to the center. Ctrl G, again you can group this, select both and you can align to the exact vertical center and horizontal center. Then going to rectangle tool, create one more rectangle and select the direct selection tool and make it corner rounded and go to color and switch off the stroke color. And after that you can create your text and convey your brand. I hope you guys are like these techniques. If you like, share with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification. See you soon in next video. Until that, tata, bye bye.